Hey guys, welcome back to Corona Crash Course. It turns out I did have questions about 7.1 because the model is kind of crazy. Anyway, here's the intro music. All right, let's get into it. If we look at this, this is 7.1 and it's using holes as the model, as the main part of the model. So for example, Lauren bought 12 stamps for postcards. She gave Brianna 1/6 of them. How many stamps did Lauren give to Brianna? So if you count them, there are 12. And they use the denominator 6 to make the groups. So look at the first row right here. I'm sorry, the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, the key is using the denominator to make the groups. And then if you look at this part, they separated all of those into columns. Notice, look right here, like the first one, the column. How many postcards did they group together? 2. See that? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it's kind of like division. The question is like, so how much does each person get? And they get 2. That's what that means. Let me show you. Let's look at number 1. Notice that the 12 is a whole number. Use the whole number to model, because if we were to model 3/4 12 times, oh man, that's going to take a while and we're going to have to use crazy repeated addition. Okay, so let's use the whole number, and remember that the commutative property of multiplication means we can multiply however we want. All right, so it doesn't matter if it's 3/4 times 12 or 1/3 times 9. Use the whole number to start the model, okay? And then use the denominator to make your groups. Let me show you what I mean. Let's get our handy dandy iPad here. I'm gonna. Oh! The camera's going crazy. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. All right. Oh, yeah. We're gonna have to fix it. There we go. Oh, I guess it's too heavy for the. There we go. Oh, no. Oh, technology. There we go. I'm using like an boom arm or something like that. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, here's the expression, okay? We have, let's make it straight, 3/4 times 12. And I'm using this to save paper and the whiteboard markers because I don't have any at home. Anyway, use the whole number. So I'm going to write this on the side, okay? Use the whole number to create groups. And denominator as well. Oops. So what that means is I'm going to use the whole number. I'm going to draw 12 things, but I'm going to use the denominator to put them in groups already. All right, so I'm going to draw 12 things. I'm going to use the denominator to keep them organized. I'm just going to go with circles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4, and I used the denominator 4 to make my group. So now I have 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12. You with me so far? I made 12 circles using my denominator to create the groups. So these are rows, right? To find the numerator out of the denominator, we're going to be using columns. These are columns. So notice how many columns I have. I have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're only going to use the 3 columns out of these 4 as the answer. So let me change color here, because I can do that. I'll be right there, buddy. So here's 1, 2, 3 out of the 4. I don't want this one. I just want the 3 out of the 4. So what's my answer? I have 9 whole things, right? 9 whole things. That's my answer. But just to double check, let's use the algorithm. So we have 3/4 times 12. I'll be right there, buddy. Hold on. And I put my 1 underneath. 3 times 12 equals 36. And 4 times 1 equals 4. And you know that you can divide that thing by the bottom number. So what I'm going to do is the 36. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to divide by 4. Now, if you know your multiplications, you know that 4 times 9 equals 36. And I'm left with 0 remainder. Okay? So that's how you do it. It's that simple. Use the whole number. All right, I'll give you one more quick example, okay? It's a big eraser, huh? Let's do number 2. Now we have 1/3 times 9. Use the whole number and the denominator to make your groups. So I need to make 9 things and organize them in groups of 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Denominator. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got my 9. I'm using my denominator as my groups. Look at how many rows we have. We got 3 rows, but I only want 1 column out of this group. 1 column. These are columns. I only want this one. The answer here is 3. Once again, let's check with the algorithm. Just want to change my color just because. 1/3 times, 9. I add my 1 underneath. 9 times 1 equals 9. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then I continue to divide. 3 divided by 9 is 3 wholes. Okay? I'm sorry. Yeah. All right. Good luck. Ding. It's a Batman one. This was Crash Course, Corona style. Adios, amigos.